what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be another hair tutorial in partnership with NuMe, and I'm super excited because usually I always use just like a plain barrel or I use a straightener to do my waves and my curls, and today I kind of wanted to switch it up because I am going to be showing you guys the Octowand set. So you have 8 different options in there, and I'm like, if I have that many options, I need to step out of my comfort zone and try something new. And this one has always intrigued me. This is it's like an inverted one, so it's really narrow at the top and then the bottom of the barrel is bigger, and I kind of love this. It's definitely more curly than I usually wear my hair, but it still looks very lived in and natural. So I love this, and I always do have my coupon code for you guys. It's just Steph for 20% off of NuMe's entire site. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all of the different barrels that you can attach to the Octowand, all the different wands that come in here, and kind of the curl that it's gonna give you.
So first we have the pearl wand, and then the next size is the 19mm cone. So it starts at a bigger base and then it tapers down to the end where it is really, really tiny. And then the reverse wand is what I'm actually going to be using in the tutorial today. Is the complete opposite. It's smaller at the base and then the end of the wand is bigger. The next one is the 13mm. I love this one for super tight curls. Next is the 25mm cone, so it's kind of the same as the first one, just a little bit of a bigger curl. And then you have the 25mm wand, the 19mm wand, which I have 2 of them sitting here. I have 2 Octowands, so I'm not sure why I grabbed both, but there is a 19mm. And then the last one is the 32mm. If you are a big fan of big loose waves, this one is the one for you.
So as you can see from that, I feel like you can just really do any kind of hairstyle that you want with this set, and it all is so convenient and all in one place. You don't have to mess with a ton of different cords and different barrels and wands and irons all over the place. Like, you can just have all of the things that you need in one little case, and it's super convenient to travel with. I travel with it all the time. But if you would like to see how I get these waves, then just go ahead and keep on watching.
So just opening up my Octowand set here, I am going to pull out the reverse wand and get it warmed up. It seriously heats up so quickly. And then I'm going to start on my curls. And I do section my hair. I feel like it's just easier that way. And I love this because this was the first time I used it, and I noticed you can get such a big variation in the curls. So I am curling everything away from my face, just holding the barrel behind me and then wrapping all of the hair around and keeping it away from my face, like I said, and make sure that you are keeping that hair really flat on the iron. I feel like that's such a key point in this hairstyle. And just hold it there for a few seconds, let it go, and then let your curls cool that way. Don't mess with them until you are completely done curling all of your hair. And you can see here I started to kind of just switch it up. Some of the pieces I curled closer to the base of the wand because it is so much smaller, and then some pieces I did do a little bit closer to the bottom of the barrel just to get a lot of variation. It almost looks more like a natural wave or a natural curl to your hair just because they aren't so symmetrical, and I really, really like that about this hairstyle. And I'm also leaving out about 1 inch of my hair at the very bottom, and then those ones that are a little bit closer to my face, I do kind of shake them out just so they aren't so tight. And then you can see I am taking the pieces that are closer to my face and holding them closer to the bottom of the barrel as well, so it's just a bigger, more relaxed curl around my face. Now we are up to the last layer of our hair. You can part your hair however you want to. I like to kind of have a messy part. My part, if you watch any of my hair videos, is never perfect. So part your hair however you want. I like a side part. And then I'm taking the pieces on the very top, and you can see I kind of roll the wand, and that's going to give you so much volume. You can see that in just that one piece. Whenever you have it closer to the root, and then you just kind of spin that wand as it's heating your hair, it's going to give you a ton of lift and volume, which I really, really love, especially on the top section of my hair. And then, like I said earlier, I'm taking these pieces that are closest to my face and just wrapping them maybe once or twice around the lower part of the barrel so I get a more relaxed wave around there. And once again, the biggest key to this style is to really switch up the curls. So do some thicker curls, some thinner curls, and then also switch up where you're actually holding your hair on the barrel. Some of them, like I said, hold them closer to the bottom of the barrel, you'll get a more relaxed wave. And then some of them hold them closer up to the top of the barrel, and then bring your hair all the way down. And it just gives such a pretty variation that I think I'm going to be using this one a whole lot more. And to finish up, I am just doing my bangs. Like I said before, hold it very low on the barrel if you want a more relaxed wave around your face like I do. And then it is time to break these curls up. And this is where you can see all of that texture come through from those variations of curls. Like, it just looks so beautiful. I love this. And look how shiny my hair is from using that wand. I feel like every time I use that wand, it just makes my hair super shiny. So I'm just doing this. I'm not doing anything specific, just using my hands to break up the curls and kind of put everything in its place. And then I am taking the Gloss Boss. You guys saw me use this in another hair tutorial. I love this stuff. Just gives my hair tons of shine, and then it also helps to kind of tame any frizzy areas or flyaways, and it keeps my curls really nice and separated. So I just run that through with my fingertips, and then I'm also going to go through with just a little bit of some texture spray. That's totally optional, but I don't like to tease my hair anymore, so I always love to use some kind of a texture spray. And then once you do that, your look is complete. I hope you guys will try this out, kind of step out of your comfort zone, especially with this Octowand set, because there's so many different options. So I hope you guys enjoyed this and maybe learned something new. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!